Welcome to Port Saplaya, often called the Little Venice of Valencia. This late afternoon, together with ValenciaLink, we invite you to wander through its colourful canals and bright streets as the day begins to soften. This story is for everyone. Locals who treasure it as a seaside escape, visitors discovering its unique charm, expats looking for a Mediterranean lifestyle, and investors searching for coastal opportunities. Port Saplaya is not only a neighbourhood by the sea, it is a world of its own. At this hour, Port Saplaya shines in full light. The houses, painted in vivid yellows, reds and blues, reflect on the calm water, glowing under the sun. The beach is still alive with swimmers, children playing in the sand, and families enjoying the last strong rays of the afternoon. On the promenades, cyclists and joggers pass slowly by, while cafes and terraces start to welcome people finishing their day with a drink or a meal by the marina. It is a neighbourhood that feels both relaxed and vibrant, the essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Living in Port Saplaya means being part of this daily rhythm. You might spend your afternoon swimming, then return to a balcony overlooking the canals, or simply walk along the coast as the sun lowers in the sky. Here, life feels slower but also more complete, shaped by the sea, the light and the community. For expats, Port Saplaya offers the calm of a seaside village with the convenience of being just minutes away from Valencia. Fresh seafood restaurants, cafes with terraces and a constant connection to the water make every day feel like a holiday. Port Saplaya is also an attractive real estate market for those who dream of living by the sea. Properties here are always in demand, from families looking for a coastal home, to expats searching for lifestyle change, to investors who see long-term value in seaside living. Apartments overlooking the canals or facing the sea are especially desirable, offering views and experiences unique to this neighbourhood. Seasonal visitors bring energy, while permanent residents create stability and community. For investors, Port Saplaya offers both lifestyle appeal and long-term potential, a rare combination on the Mediterranean coast. Port Saplaya is more than a seaside village. It is a colourful, vibrant lifestyle by the Mediterranean. It brings together leisure, community and investment, all in one unique setting. With ValenciaLink, you can explore this neighbourhood, live its relaxed rhythm, and, if you wish, invest in its promise. To discover more, visit ValenciaLink.com or download our app. And if this video inspired you, subscribe to ValenciaLink on YouTube, follow us on social media, and give this video a like. Your support helps us share even more of Valencia's beauty with the world.